Usually I'm not the biggest fan of Mondays, but today's a little bit different because it's Monday, it's April 1st. It's 10 minutes past 10, which means that in 50 minutes I'll be getting the keys to the new house. So this actually is gonna mark the actual renovation beginning. We've planned and stuff, but now we're gonna do it. I'm gonna spend today measuring everything because I don't really trust the plans that we've got from the real estate agent. So I'm gonna remeasure everything and check that our plans fit in as we hope they will. And yeah, just taking a lot of pictures of the before state of the house before getting started on Wednesday. So tomorrow I have some work to do, but Wednesday I'll be starting for real, bringing all my tools down and yeah, getting into it. So I'm really excited. I can't take you to the actual handing of the keys because there's a lot of practicality and checking all the electrician stuff and blah blah blah. But I'll do a walk around in the house as soon as we're done with that. So yeah, exciting. Welcome inside the house. Woohoo! Just got the keys, some wine and a little flag. Start out here. Main entrance right now leads out into this nice little yard and one of the other buildings we're gonna check out in a second. And from here you get into, yeah, a pretty useless waste of space. If you turn right from the front door, you come into this, the living room. There's a fireplace, or the remains of a fireplace. It's seen better days, but yeah, that'll go. The kitchen, as it is now at least. And what I'm guessing is a kid's room, but it was never finished. Pretty sizable bathroom for a house this size. Renovated in some time in the 90s would be my guess. So everything looks a little bit tired by now. Another small room which has two doors, so it's kind of a strange walk-through room. Not really super useful. A bedroom with, wow, a pretty large wardrobe that I would need to get rid of. Maybe we can reuse some of the drawers. Gypsum wall, wonder what's behind that. So I just noticed that there's gypsum wall on the inside of a really old house with insulation beneath it, which is never really a good sign. So I'm just gonna try and, with my limited tools, break some of it down and see if we can get in there and see what's going on. Well, luckily it seems like the wall's pretty dry beneath, but this is like perfect growing conditions for mold. So I'm a little bit excited to see what we can find in the rest of the house. See, this right here is what I'm talking about. Mold. You can also see it on the floor. So let's try and knock a hole in her. There are some signs of, I don't know what it is, to be honest. Mold, probably. I just ripped out the insulation of the place where I worked before. Not good. That's not supposed to be black. That's mold. Like wall-to-wall mold. So, yeah.